Ricardian theory of rent differential surplus. Ricardo, in his theory of rent, states rent is the reward for land. Rent arises because of the differences in the fertility of the soil. Rent is paid only for using the original and indestructible powers of the soil. Rent is a part of the total output of land. It is a differential surplus. It is earned by the superior lands over the inferior lands. The following are the assumptions of the theory. Supply of land is fixed for the society as a whole. Land is the free gift of nature and it has no supply price. There is perfect competition in the product and factor markets. Land is put to only one use. It is used to produce corn. Rent is determined at the margin. Let us use the famous Ricardian example of island and fresh settlers to understand his theory of rent. There is an island. Supply of land in that island is fixed. On the basis of the fertility of the soil, the land is divided into three categories. Most fertile lands, first grade lands; less fertile lands, second grade lands; and least fertile lands, third grade lands. To begin with, there are no humans in the island. First group of settlers go there. They start cultivating the first grade land. All the pieces of first grade lands are brought under cultivation. Since perfect competition is prevailing in the product and factor markets, they accept the market determined price for the product and factors. The product price is P. Each producer is in equilibrium at E, where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. They are operating at the minimum point of the average cost curve AC, producing M units. The cost is OPEM. The value of the output is also OPEM. Since value of output is equal to cost, there is no surplus and no rent. What we have to know here is first grade lands are marginal lands because value of output is equal to cost. No surplus emerges. Rent doesn't arise. Okay. Second group of settlers go to the island. The immediate effect is the demand for corn goes up. The price of corn also goes up. The new price is P1. The second group start cultivating the second grade lands. The producers form equilibrium at E3 by equating MC with MR. They are working at the minimum point of AC, producing N units. The cost is OP1E3N. The value of output is also OP1E3N. The value of output is equal to the cost of cultivation. No surplus is earned. Second grade lands are no rent lands or marginal lands. With a rise in price, first grade lands are more intensively cultivated. A new equilibrium is formed at E1. Their output goes up to M1. The cost of cultivation is OTSM1. The value of output is OP1E1M1. The first grade lands earn a surplus TP1E1S. The surplus is rent. First grade lands become intramarginal lands. Third group of settlers go to the island. The demand for corn goes up. The price of corn also goes up. The new price is P2. The third grade land, hitherto not cultivated, is brought under cultivation. The owners of the third grade lands are operating at the minimum point of average cost curve and be in equilibrium at point E5 by equating MC with MR. They produce Q units of output. The cost of cultivation is OP2E5Q. The value of output is also OP2E5Q. The value of output is equal to cost of cultivation. Third grade lands earn no surplus. They are marginal lands or no rent lands. Second grade lands are intensively cultivated. New equilibrium is at E4. New output is N1. The cost of cultivation is OT2S2N1. The value of output is OP2E4N1. The surplus is T2P2E4S2. This is rent. Second grade lands, by earning rent, become intramarginal lands. First grade lands are still more intensively cultivated. The new equilibrium is E2 and output M2. The cost of cultivation is OT1S1M2. The value of output is OP2E2M2. Rent is T1P2E2S1. It earns more rent now. What we are to comprehend is that third grade lands are marginal lands. They earn no rent. First grade and second grade lands are intramarginal lands. They earn surplus. It is a differential surplus over and above cost of cultivation. It is earned by superior lands over inferior lands. It is rent according to Ricardo. The important conclusion of Ricardo is rent is price determined and not price determining. In short, rent is not part of cost of cultivation and thereby does not enter into price. Well, our discussion ends here. We shall meet again.